Make sure you have these books on hand, The Best in Your Kitchen by yours truly and Cooking Around the World with yours truly. So a lot of people heard about Creole cuisine. They've heard about Cajun cuisine. And if I was to ask you what the difference is, most people don't know. They know, first thing that comes to mind is that it's spicy and it's from Louisiana, but that's all they can really tell me. Usually Cajun cuisine and Creole cuisines are similar, but there's a couple differences. One is tomatoes. Creole cuisine usually has more tomato-based ingredients, tomatoes, tomato paste, that sort of thing, okay? And Creole cuisine is influenced from a whole bunch of different people from like the Italian background, Spanish, that sort of heritage in the cuisine. Whereas Cajun is from the Acadians from France who migrated there in the 18th century. And that's how Cajun cuisine was sort of born, which is more of their French influence, but infused with some of the other local cuisines. But the biggest thing to tell you and all that, usually, not always, tomato-based is the defining answer of Creole cuisine, where Cajun cuisine is more just like comfort food and stuff. There's not real big differences nowadays anyway, but that's how you would define it. But the biggest thing about that is, you notice how we're using a celery, right? And we're also using an onion. In French cooking, you would have celery, onion, and what to make a mirepoix? Somebody unmute and tell me.
Carrot.
Yes, carrot. Thank you. You would have celery, onion, and carrot. You're a star student, Ainsley. I'm going to give you a little gold sticker when we're done. But you'll notice in all Cajun and Creole cuisines, there's no carrot. There's no carrot. They do celery, they do onion, and they do bell pepper instead. What's that combination called of those three? Anybody want to answer that one? We're doing a lot of trivia tonight.
Holy Trinity.
Thank you. Yes, the Holy Trinity. I mean, if you're religious, you have a different definition for the Holy Trinity, but everybody who loves food and Cajun and Creole cuisine considers the Holy Trinity of onion, celery, and bell pepper their Holy Trinity in their food and their cooking. So, or you could just call it Trinity if you wanted to. If you're not religious at all, you just call it Trinity. Yes, the Trinity. And what it does, it gives you incredible base flavors. Now, one more trivia question before we get on with the night. Why? Why don't they include carrot? I mean, there's French influence there. Why don't they include carrot? Why do they substitute it with a bell pepper? There's a main reason why.
They can't grow carrots.
Right. They can't grow carrots down there because New Orleans is like 6 feet below sea level. So it's hard for them to grow anything way down on the ground like that. So they substitute that with bell pepper instead. And that's your golden answer. Thanks for that, Karen.